Okay guys, welcome back to another video today. Well, you've seen by the thumbnail and title of this video what we're doing, but I'm just warming up, trying to hit things that I don't usually hit. Whoa. And then later on I'm going to be trying to do like weird double person tricks with Owen, which will be kind of fun. But for now, just warming up. Oh yes, it's the first time I've done that first try. Yeah, Owen's not the brightest, and he still thinks that it's 9:50 when it's 10:50. So yeah, that's why he's not here. But he'll be here eventually, just a little bit late. Okay, what am I gonna try to do? I'm gonna do Feeble Smith whip in, first tee. A little bit sketchy, oh god. Yeah, there we go. Okay, frontside feeble, 270 in, to bride. Oh, hello. The GoPro is on the head mount, that kind of hurt. Yeah, I'm filming on the head mount, which I don't normally do. And this might be one of the last times I do, until I get a new adhesive because it's like breaking. There we go. You never know when it says that was pretty cool. Air, double about. Oh! Finger. Into the bank. Come on. Hey, feeble. Do it to do feeble. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here, I'll do it first tee like this, hopefully. You can get so much more speed like this. Dude, that's so easy. Okay guys, so we're on the big camera now. I warmed up, did some tricks that I don't usually do, but now we're gonna get on with the video. I'm gonna be trying to, like, no footer out of the 4-foot, and Owen here is going to kick a tail whip. So we're gonna see how it works. If it works well, maybe we could try like double tail whip or hit it with the hand.
Nope.
But
oh, we can do whip, and then kick it.
We could do rewind.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Dude, I need to put on like shin guards.
Okay, we're probably not gonna get that far, but we think we can do the whip. We've tried it like once or twice, and it will probably work.
Oh, dude, I got a great idea. Do a bri, and then I kick a whip.
That's a great idea.
All right, cool. I'm practicing my freaking karate moves.
You have to do high kicks.
So it's something that's never yet.
Is that too late? Do I need to go?
Yeah, the earlier the better.
Whoa! Close.
Okay.
Yeah, I can only get like
Oh my god!
That was so close.
Oh my! Yeah!
That was hot. Okay,
Dude,
now is it my turn to?
Yeah, it's your
Okay, I'm gonna ride the scooter now.
Oh!
Yes!
Yeah! That one was easy.
We're gonna try double.
Oh!
That was
Dude, what the heck?
Okay. Oh! I tipped forward.
Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Okay, we're gonna try switch and do double with Anders jumping and me kicking.
Okay, that's the thing.
That could work.
I didn't whip it very fast.
But you really gotta. I literally just went for double leg whip and like let you kick it. Whoa!
He kicked directly on the head
in
tube.
the middle, and it was.
It like screamed.
Yeah.
No!
Dude, that was like a pause.
Head tube again.
Walk right here.
I barely touched it.
You barely touched it.
Are we doing it again or is that good?
That was dumb.
When it actually works, it works so much better than a regular double.
Yeah!
Finally!
That was fun. We both learned. We did like.
We learned to have talent.
We each got 4 new learns today. Okay, so we're back on the GoPro, and I'm gonna try to land inward before I leave. I have like 10 minutes. Owen says I won't. I'm gonna prove him wrong. Okay. Why didn't I land that? Ah, here's this thing to record.
Oh my god.
My
Snapped your clamp.
my clamp snapped. Oh, thanks for filming on the big camera, by the way. That's a sick clip.
That's pretty nice.
So I probably landed like heavily on the back wheel, and then it just went like that. His bars just fell off. Okay, guys, so that was kind of an interesting way to end this video. I snapped my clamp. This thing is supposed to go there.
Why don't you glue it?
It snapped off.
Tanner, just tape it. You'll be fine.
Yeah, that'll work great.
That was amazing.
Okay, guys, but that marks the end of this one, and I'll see you all next time.